Egypt tips. We are watching the channel. It is really amazing and interesting. The train is coming, and it is over the water, and it is a small river. On the other hand, it is a pond, but the flying train is very speed and going to next station, and it is a zigzag up and down and very speed going through the train. Just amazing and entertainment purpose. Wow, it is really interesting and amazing. It is kept the train and in river in train line. Wow, it is a zigzag and inside and outside, up and down. The train is very speed over the river. Please subscribe our channel and do some video and like, comments and share. Please audience subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.